How to turn off keyboard sound in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. After clicking on sounds and haptics, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option keyboard feedback. Now click on keyboard feedback, and if you want to turn off your keyboard sound, then simply turn off sound button. After turning this button off, your keyboard sound will be turned off. So this is the way to turn off keyboard sound in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.